age of revolution from the topic. So today we are going to discuss the French Revolution. What all happened in the French Revolution and where it happened, who was the king at that time, and how the people got freedom in France. So all the things we will discuss in this video. So those who haven't subscribed yet my channel, please subscribe my channel and like my videos and also share my videos. Without further delay, get started. The French Revolution, which is started in 1789. The French Revolution is started in 1789. The ruler was Louis XVI of French or France. So many of the political causes also happened at the time. Mainly France ruled by Louis XVI, and he just ruled like autocrat. He himself believed that he is a king or he is a son of God or something like that. Because of that reason only, people didn't wanted him, or people not hated him more. And the second political cause is he done more corruption. He have done more corruption. His ministers have done corruption, and all the things were done at that time. And also he have tortured many people. The Louis XVI commanded his soldiers or noble people or to take money or to torture the people. It was familiar at that time. And those are the political causes. While going to the social causes, the three classes also have done at the time. Three classes. The first estate, which is done by or which is held by church officials, and in the second estate it is held by noble people, and in the third estate it is held by workers or peasants. So these three estates are held in the social classes. In the first estate, church officials, and in the second estate, noble people, and the third estate, workers or peasants. But the main point is here, the first and second estate enjoyed all political and social benefits. They don't want to pay the taxes, they don't want to do anything, they just simply enjoyed the life, the first and second estate people. But all the burden is coming to the third estate. Okay, in the economic cause, frequent wars involved emptied the treasury. So they have involved in the wars. The Louis XVI or the France involved always wars with neighboring countries. So it caused the emptied the treasury. They emptied the treasury, and entire burden of the tax fell on the third estate. So the entire tax fell on the third estate. It also major cause in the economic, and it forced to work without payment. And also many of the third estate people, workers, persons, they have worked without the payment. And philosophers, as per the many problems, many of the philosophers, intellectual philosophers come forward to motivate or to inspire the people of France. So it also made the people motivated or active. Okay, Voltaire and Rousseau are the major important intellectual philosophers at that time. They wrote or they write many poems in the like of poems or magazines or newspapers, and they spread the information to the people that they have to get the freedom from the Louis XVI, or they have to get the freedom. Like that things the Voltaire and Rousseau have done. They have motivated the people. And influence of the American War of Independence, and they got the influence. Many of the French Revolution people or French people have participated in the American War of Independence. That thing also, that from that revolution or from that war also, they got more influence. So they got more motivated to break through and outbreak. The three estates have asked to the Louis XVI for one man, one vote. So at least one man should give one vote to the representative. But the Louis XVI knew that if the third estate people are more, if they are giving the permission for voting, the king will not get a chance to rule. So because of that reason, the king turned down or didn't give the permission for vote for the third estate people. after the influence after the influence of American War of Independence, the French people have also participated in the American War of Independence. They come back to the France and they brought many revolutionary ideas. And also after meeting Louis XVI about one man, one vote, he rejected that. And the third estate members formed the National Assembly in June 1789. It also became a major problem towards the Louis XVI. So what happened? They met in tennis court and took the pledge, struggled to frame a constitution. So they meet in tennis court for what? For struggle to frame a constitution. They want to frame a constitution. Who? The third estate people. They met in where? They met in tennis court. So that incident is called the tennis court. Okay, that incident is called the tennis court. After the formation of National Assembly in June 1789, the war broke out in Paris. So the war firstly started by the Louis XVI because he heard that they have formed an assembly. So he just showed anger towards the third estate people. He just started the war in France. In Paris, the war having started. And the storming of the Bastille. What is storming of the Bastille? Storming of the Bastille means they broke up the prison and released all the prisoners. They have released the third estate member or third estate people have released the prisoners from the prison. That incident is called the storming of the Bastille. That incident is called the storming of the Bastille. At that time, Louis XVI were arrested in 1789 and after he was killed. Okay, and Declaration of Rights of Men and the Citizen. So after winning the war with Louis XVI, the autocrat or the monopoly fall down and everyone got freedom of French, and they have formed the Declaration of Rights of Men and the Citizen. Each man, each people will get equal opportunity in every world, and basic rights of men and of the citizen. Basic rights, what are the basic rights for a human being? That thing will be provided, and freedom, equality and brotherhood became guiding principle of the Republican France. So they told to each member what equality, freedom, brotherhood will be the basic thing or the guiding principle for everyone. So they have shown a great thing to the neighboring countries also. That is the French Revolution to that. If you have any doubt, you can comment below, like my videos and share my videos. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for today. Bye bye.